Hello, my lovely friends. I'm going to share with you how to turn your body into a fat burning machine. Like a cup of this morning and bedtime have me burning a lot of fats. Like I get to lose so much weight drinking this. So, in order to come up with this very powerful recipe, the first thing you need is ginger. Ginger heats up your system like it is thermic. It provokes your system to burn fats real good, boost your metabolism, help your system to detox gases, waste, all the sodium salt in your system, and boost your system to burn fat so fast. So all the gases causing bloating, constipation, you are relieved and you tend to have your belly all down, plus your metabolism really active and you burn fat. Like this turns your body to a fat burning machine. So this is a thumb size of ginger. You want to go ahead and add in some water and squeeze out the juice. So that is half a cup of water in there. You add half a cup of water in the squeezed ginger and squeeze out the juice. Voila. The next thing you want to get is chia seeds. So chia seed is dietary fiber. This is weight loss in the cup. Dietary fiber is very good as it provokes your system to burn fats, fills you up, and provides your system with energy to burn fats. This is so good. This is chia seed. So you want to go ahead and measure 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and add in your cup or a bowl. So this is it, 2 tablespoons of chia seed, and you want to go ahead and add in a cup of water to soak this up. So just add in 1 cup of water. Chia seeds are very good, most especially if you're looking to lose weight and you need dietary fiber. You have lots of it in chia seed and it boosts your metabolism and have you burn fats real good. So this is it. I will leave it aside to soak up while I share with you another very powerful ingredient I'll be adding in here to double up as antioxidant as well as for fat burning, and that is strawberry. You need antioxidants, most especially if you're facing difficulties burning fat and you have lots of it in strawberry. So these antioxidants help to facilitate fast metabolism due to free radical effects. So that is my strawberry. You can add like 6 to 7 strawberries in your blender. You blend this up, it boosts your metabolism and have you burn fats real fast. So once you put it there, you add in 1 cup of water. So that is 1 cup of water in the 6 to 7 strawberries. You put it in your blender and blend. So get a juice out of these. So blend so well so you get everything all nice and smooth. Strawberries are very good. Antioxidants are good if you have a slow metabolic rate, which is what makes people face difficulties losing weight. So this boosts your metabolic rate due to the effects of free radicals that have slowed your metabolism. So this is it. It facilitates fast metabolism. So you want to squeeze out the juice from this and voila. The next thing I go ahead to add in here is lemon. Chia seed and lemon, just chia seed and lemon on its own is very powerful for weight loss. Plus adding with all these other powerful ingredients makes it so wonderful. Lemons are very good because they contain those good acids in them to help flush bad acids in your system, flush out excess sugars in your system, salts, sodiums. Like this is a total cleanse. That is why lemons are good to boost your immunity, because it is a very powerful cleanse. It polishes and cleans your body real good from the inside, boosts your metabolism and your system to burn fat so fast. So that is 1 lemon squeezed, and this is the juice from my 1 lemon. Very powerful. If you haven't tried any of my recipes, you want to follow this up and try it, as this is very, very powerful. So this is my chia seed. I just want to mix up to get everything to one kind of consistency. Now, these are 2 cups for morning and bedtime, and I will share with you how to go about it. So you want to split this chia seed into these 2 cups, same portion. If you don't know how to divide, you should mix in 2 different cups so it is easier for you. But you see, I just divided 2 portions. You go ahead and get the lemon as well. Divide in 2 portions. The lemon, like half in 1 cup and half in the other cup. You go ahead and divide the thumb size of ginger juice, half of it in 1 cup and half in the other cup like you see me doing. Very powerful. So this is it. Just make sure you divide in the both cups. The next thing I go ahead to add is the juice from the strawberry. So that is my strawberry juice. Very powerful antioxidant to boost your metabolism. Yeah, so you split in the cups as well. Make sure everything is the same proportion. Like you see, I can really like everything is all the same. Now you want to go ahead and fill this up with water. Yeah, very powerful detox fat burner. You fill that up with water, and this is it, your powerful chia seed drink that will help you burn your fats like crazy. Like when I have this, I lose a lot of weight. So for those who love a little bit of taste, just add a tiny little bit of honey in here just for taste, or you can have it that way. It still tastes good, but if you just want a little bit of flavor, because honey equally has antimicrobial properties, which is good for the tummy, you add in a tiny little drop of honey, not a lot, just for that little taste, because I don't like my things really too sweet, but honey is healthy and good. So you add in the honey, stir everything all up to one consistency, and voila, this is it. This is a very powerful fat burner in your cup. You want to consume 1 cup on an empty stomach in the morning to turn your body into a fat burning machine, and 1 cup at bedtime while you sleep. It converts your body into a fat burning machine. You wake up losing so much, you get back in shape, very healthy, and it tastes so yummy. Plus it will leave nutrients into your system. Remember, strawberries are loaded with a lot of nutrients. All these fruits are very healthy for your body. Like, these are the recipes you want to go for to lose your weight. Like when I had my baby, I had this recipe over and over, and it got my body real in shape. This helped me a lot. It has been maintaining my body size, and I feel so light and very energetic now. Yeah, plus you want to drink your water. Make sure you're drinking enough water your system can accommodate. Drink water because water helps you with digestion. Water helps you break down hardened food stored up in your system. If you don't drink water, you don't digest your food. That is how food stores up in your system, causing belly fat and weight gain. So I advise you constantly drink water, most especially after your meals. Make sure you're drinking your water. Never substitute water with anything. Drink clean water, plain water after you eat, and trust me, that flushes you. It cleanses you of toxins as well, and boost your system, boost your metabolism, because water is equal to digestion, and without digestion you end up with food build up causing belly fat and weight gain. I hope you get the message, and I want you to go ahead and try this recipe. Come back and tell me how you feel about it. You would love it. Share with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.